Here's how to enable the camera timer on POCO X7 Pro. Of course, we're gonna open the camera, and now I'm gonna use photo mode in this example, of course. Now let's open the camera menu, so we can tap on this arrow in the middle of the screen, or we can swipe down. Over here, we're gonna find the timer here, we can tap on it, and here we can switch between 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10-second timer. Of course, if you want to turn it off, you want to select this first option here. Now, in addition to that, we can also use the timed burst, which allows you to actually create a custom interval. So if you turn on the timed burst, of course you can select a specific amount of photos, and you can still stop taking photos when you wish to. But if you, for instance, want to have a, let's say, I don't know, like 7-second timer, 7 seconds I mean, then there is no issue with that. We can set up the interval to 7 seconds. And of course, it says number of photos is 10, but we can start taking a photo, and after those 7 seconds, we can capture a photo. And there we go. Of course, there is another countdown because this is the second out of 10 photos, but we can pause it, simple as that. And if you want to turn it off, then of course, go back to the timed burst and just set it to off. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!